What do you know about Elon Musk?
He is 54 years old.
Uh-huh.
He runs companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and X. Today,
Uh-huh.
Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world.
Mm-hmm.
He wasn't always so successful.
Was he?
As a child,
Mm-hmm.
he was small and shy. He didn't do well at school.
Why?
Because many students bullied him.
Mm-hmm.
He liked reading books,
Mm-hmm.
and his tough childhood made him dive even deeper into books. His father also gave him nothing but hurt. When he was 12,
Mm-hmm.
he made his first video game and sold it.
Yo.
He went to university in Canada and then in the USA. He studied physics and economics.
Economics. Okay.
He started his own company when he was 23.
Mm-hmm.
When he was 27,
Yeah.
he first became a millionaire by selling his first company, Jeep2.
Mm-hmm.
After that,
Mhm.
he helped to start PayPal and became even more successful. He founded the Musk Foundation in 2002, in which mainly supports non-profit organizations.
Okay.
He almost lost everything in the 2008 financial crisis. But in 2012, SpaceX successfully sent a rocket to the International Space Station, and everything changed. Today, he is one of the most successful people in the world.
Right. Good.